Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure the SQL Server instance name, port, and credentials are ready so you avoid connection errors. Once done, launch SQL Server Management Studio as administrator to have full permissions. Next, in Object Explorer, connect to the instance and right-click Databases, select New Database. You specify the database name and choose Logical Files locations. Make these choices now, because file paths and collation affect performance and restore compatibility later. Once the new database dialog opens, focus on files and options because those control storage behavior. Set MDF and LDF initial sizes and sensible auto-growth increments to prevent frequent small growths. This reduces fragmentation. Then choose the recovery model, full for point-in-time backups, simple to reduce log maintenance, because that determines backup strategy. Also verify collation and change the owner if required. Click OK to create the DB. This writes the files and registers the database with the instance. After creation, ensure the database appears under Databases and refresh Object Explorer. This confirms the metadata registered correctly. Now run a quick smoke test. Create a small table, insert a row, and select it to confirm I/O and permissions work. If something fails, stop and check common issues. SQL Server service status, Windows firewall or port blocking, server/instance name, and database file path permissions. Also review the SQL Server error log for explicit failure messages to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.